Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of modern electronics manufacturing and repair, the ball grid array, BGA Rework Station, stands as an indispensable tool. As electronic devices become more compact and complex, BGAs have become a preferred choice due to their enhanced connectivity and performance. However, the delicate nature of BGAs demands precise rework and repair procedures, necessitating the use of advanced equipment. In this article, we delve into the world of BGA rework stations, highlighting the top 5 contenders renowned for their accuracy, efficiency, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an electronics enthusiast, these cutting-edge rework stations are sure to capture your attention with their innovative features and capabilities. Join us as we explore the best BGA rework stations that are transforming the landscape of electronics repair and rework. Number 5. LI M770 Upgraded IR Infrared BGA Rework Station. The IR infrared heating technology in the LI M770 is truly remarkable. It delivers consistent and even heat distribution, ensuring that sensitive components are not subjected to thermal stress. I've successfully reworked a variety of BGA components with complex layouts, and the results have been outstanding. The station heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures throughout the process, greatly reducing the risk of damage to the surrounding components. The upgraded features on this model make a noticeable difference. The customizable temperature profiles and programmable settings provide a high level of control over the rework process. This is particularly beneficial when working on different types of components that require specific temperature profiles. The ability to save and recall presets is a huge time saver and minimizes the chances of human error. Setting up the LI M770 is straightforward. Thanks to its intuitive interface and well-designed control panel, the large LCD display offers clear visibility of temperature, time, and other relevant information. While the interface is user-friendly, a more comprehensive user manual would be beneficial, especially for those who are new to BGA rework stations. Number 4. LI IR8500 BGA Rework Station. The IR8500's dual-zone heating system stands out as one of its most impressive features. With separate upper and bottom heating zones, it offers remarkable flexibility when dealing with various components and PCB sizes. The 450W upper heating module and the substantial 1600W bottom heating platform provide a well-distributed and consistent heat flow, ensuring efficient rework processes. The station's ability to swiftly reach and maintain desired temperatures contributes to quicker repair times and minimizes the risk of damaging delicate components. The IR8500 offers commendable temperature accuracy and control. The upper heating module, with its compact 80mm x 80mm size, excels at precise localized heating for smaller components. The larger 400mm x 200mm bottom heating area is well suited for larger PCBs and components. This level of control is especially crucial when working with sensitive components like BGAs and SMDs. Number 3. Digisix T870A BGA Rework Station. One of the standout features of the Digisix T870A is its precise temperature control. With an output temperature of up to 350 degrees Celsius, it effortlessly handles various soldering tasks, ensuring accurate heat distribution and component rework. The temperature stability is indeed commendable, allowing for consistent and flawless soldering results every time. This rework station's adaptability to different scenarios is truly noteworthy. Whether you're dealing with BGA components, PCBs, or other intricate soldering tasks, the Digisix T870A rises to the occasion. This customized option further enhances its versatility, letting you fine-tune the settings to your specific requirements. The user interface of the T870A is designed with simplicity in mind. Even if you're new to BGA rework stations, you'll find the controls intuitive and easy to navigate. The clear display presents essential information such as the set temperature and actual temperature, keeping you well informed throughout the soldering process. The compact dimensions, 43x 42x 26 cm, ensure that the rework station doesn't take up excessive space on your workbench. Number 2. Digisix T862 BGA Rework Station. Right out of the box, the build quality of the T862 is evident. Its dimensions of 410x 316mm provide ample working space, allowing for comfortable maneuvering while reworking complex components. The sleek design and sturdy construction indicate the attention to detail that Digisix has put into this rework station. The dual input voltage compatibility, 110V 220 to 230V, is a thoughtful feature, making it suitable for various power configurations around the world. The 1600W output power ensures rapid heating, significantly reducing downtime during rework sessions. I found the temperature stability to be excellent, which is crucial for preventing overheating and ensuring consistent results. One of the standout features of the T862 is its temperature control. With a wide output temperature range of 100 to 350 degrees Celsius, this rework station caters to a diverse array of components and soldering needs. I tested it on various projects, from small-scale intricate PCBs to larger BGA chips, and the temperature control was accurate and consistent throughout. Number 1. Digisix 1000A BGA Rework Station. The Digisix 1000A boasts a level of performance that greatly exceeded my expectations. With its advanced technology and precisely controlled temperature profiles, I found that it effortlessly handled BGA rework tasks, even on intricate and densely populated boards. The station's rapid heating and cooling cycles significantly reduce the risk of overheating delicate components, contributing to the overall success rate of my rework projects. One of the standout features of the Digisix 1000A is its temperature control. The microprocessor-controlled heating system ensured accurate and consistent temperature profiles throughout the rework process. This level of control is crucial when working with sensitive components to avoid thermal damage, and the Digisix 1000A excelled in this aspect. The fact that the Digisix 1000A is customizable truly sets it apart from other rework stations. The customized option is a game changer, allowing users to tailor the station settings to their specific needs. This feature is particularly valuable for professionals who work with a variety of different projects and components, as it allows them to optimize the rework process for each unique scenario. Thanks for watching this video.